here in the kitchen today. We're gonna make a quick, simple pasta dish. It is spaghetti with anchovy, chili, garlic, and a little bit of breadcrumbs. First thing we do is put our spaghetti in the water to cook. The next thing we do is get a little bit of olive oil in the pan, because this is an olive oil based sauce. And I like to slice my garlic, not chop it. I just find that the garlic tends to be a little bit sweeter. Add that to the pan. Add a few anchovies in there, depending on how strong you like it. I like the anchovy flavor pretty well, so I usually put a little bit more than most people do. And a good pinch of chili flake, and that's about it. Put that on the pan to heat up and melt down. Just gonna stir this all around so it all gets broken down and cooked evenly. And I don't want my garlic to get brown at all. I just like to have it just be a little bit softened. And then I'm stirring the olive oil with the back of a spoon, breaking down those anchovies so they make sure they get broken down in the olive oil sauce. Remove this from the heat. Then I'm gonna add a few little fresh herbs. I'm just gonna use a little bit of Italian parsley and a little bit of fresh mint so that it gives a nice little sweet flavor. Italian food in my mind is presented simply with really nice ingredients. And then we're gonna add our fresh cooked pasta to it. So I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt in there, a little freshly cracked pepper. Then I'm just gonna toss the pasta all in that sauce. Making sure you get all that stuff that's in the bottom of the pan. And then you sprinkle a little of the pan grattato over the top to give it a little crunch. So there you have it. You got a nice little spicy anchovy chili pasta with a little crunchy breadcrumbs on top. It looks and smells great. Enjoy.